Welcome to this QuadPro support video. In this video I'll be giving you an introduction to the QuadPro Glossary. The QuadPro Glossary is where you can manage certain aspects of your QuadPro system. The video will outline each menu list. To get to the glossary, we simply need to go to Admin and then Glossary. The first menu is Space Use. Here you can manage attributes which categorizes spaces such as type, department, use, and also what floor it is located on. The floors can be prioritized to display in a drop-down menu. Floor, wall, and ceiling finishes allow you to determine what material finish each of these are and can assign it into the space. All of these can be customized to fit your site's specific needs. The next menu is the Assets menu. The Assets menu is where you can customize asset types, categories, attributes, and asset maintenance categories. Asset maintenance categories are the type of work an automatic job request would be set under. By using the small numbers to the side, you can set the priority that these appear in the list. PM maintenance assists you in managing the categories that appear when you use the Analysis tab. So for example, you will be given analysis categories, types of work, and types of budget, which will all appear in a handy analysis graph. The Analysis tab is a separate module which is outlined in a separate video. A link will be below where you can go to this. The next tab is Security. The Security tab is where you can set up and manage the types of access on your site. Again, there is a separate video outlining how to do this, as it is quite an extensive module to go through. The next tab is Works Orders. Here you can set up settings for your Works Order module. So you have Works Order Source, this is who it is coming from, and you can customize this list. The next table is Works Order Priority. This is how urgent the works order is. And again, you can set the priority that it appears in the drop-down menu. The distribution list is who this works order is being sent to. This can be chosen in the exporting menu when you're issuing the works order. So you can have it go out to the contractor or supplier, your accounts team, or your maintenance team. And the risks that are associated with this works order can be customized in the menu here, and these can be chosen when you are completing the works order. The next tab is Contacts and Users. Contacts and Users is where you manage all users within the QuadPro system. As this is another extensive part of the system, we have additional videos which go through further detail in the description below. And our next tab is Projects. Under Projects, here you can set up milestone statuses for your Projects tab along with the status of the project. These will be broken down into further detail in the Projects video. The final menu is the Job Requests menu. Here is where you set up the Job Types menu for the job request form. Job type, subtype, and problems can be filtered down into specific choices to help you organize your workload. We have created a separate video which outlines what to do with this menu to ensure that you understand it and how it works. That will be in the description below. Thank you for watching this QuadPro support video, and if you do require any assistance, please get in touch with us at help@quadpro.com or www.quadpro.com.